What is up? It is Jordan from By 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And as you know, I just got back from Arizona. We went on a really fun trip. We went to Sedona. We went on a hot air balloon in the desert. We went to the Royal Rumble. We did all sorts of fun things. And I do have a lot of really awesome footage from that trip to share with you guys. So I will be making another vlog type style video for you guys on that trip, but I just got back, and to my surprise, I just saw that Kevin David actually legit copied everything that I teach, which I thought was surprising, so I just wanted to show you guys and make a quick video on my thoughts on that. So if you look here, Kevin David made a video 2 days ago called Make 100 per day on YouTube without making any videos, okay? Which is funny because my last video was right here, how to make $100 a day on YouTube without making videos. So as you can see, it's the same exact topic, it's the same exact title, and then if you go in and actually watch the video, he talks about this same exact stuff, word for word, that I have been talking about for the past year. So he talks about finding Creative Commons videos, how to find the Creative Commons videos, talks about the Creative Commons license, even goes as far as to talk about the same exact niches I talk about, which is conspiracies and sports highlights. So he goes over compilations and all of those type of things, the same exact stuff that I talk about. So I did go in and leave a comment on that. And so go ahead, take a look at that comment and like it if you would like, because obviously that's going to help anybody that comes in the future and sees Kevin David's video. They'll be able to come to my channel, check out my content, and see, you know, exactly what I'm all about and all the things that I talk about on my channel, which is the same exact thing. And so I just thought it was interesting. I'm not complaining in any way about it. I think it's actually pretty cool. So Kevin David, I consider to be one of the best internet marketers, probably second behind Ty Lopez, and I've been studying him for 3 or 4 years now. And so just the fact that Kevin David actually, you know, has seen my content, but then not only that, has went as far as to actually copy it, make the same exact videos, is actually really cool to me because, you know, not only has he seen the videos, but he's actually thought it was such a good idea that he wanted to make his own videos about the same exact topic, which is really cool because I've been studying Kevin David and watching him for 3 or 4 years now, and you know, so that's actually kind of an honor. And so in no way am I complaining about it or anything. I just thought it was really interesting. And then I've noticed that a lot of these same videos have been popping up ever since I came on YouTube. So here's another one right here. So if you guys know Cater Cormier or whatever, I've been watching him for 3 or 4 years as well, and in the last 3 weeks he made how to make $10,000 a month on YouTube without recording any videos as well. So Cater's another one, and so I left a comment on there too, and Cater said, hey, I've actually watched your videos before, because I had called out, you know, this looks exactly like what I teach. And he's like, yeah, I've actually watched your videos before. And I knew he had because he made the same exact video that Kevin David made, which is the same exact stuff I've been teaching for the past year. And so I've seen a lot of these videos popping up lately, which I actually think is pretty cool because Cater and Kevin David are both people that I've, you know, respected and watched for the past 3 or 4 years, you know, when I was just studying ways to make money online. And so the fact that they're both making videos on the same topics as me and actually saying the same exact stuff that I've been saying for the past year is actually kind of an honor. So no way am I complaining about it. You know, but it's just interesting. And I've seen a ton of other people making videos on this. And so when I first started making videos on this, which, you know, this is something I have been doing for 3 or 4 years, you know, just making money on YouTube, downloading and reposting videos. And, you know, I literally figured it out on my own. Like, I searched what is Creative Commons, and that's about it. But as far as turning that into a profit on YouTube, as far as I know, I'm the only one that really started doing that and teaching it, right? So I think that's actually really cool. Basically, I started a trend. I basically started my own trend because there hadn't really been anybody making any videos about how to do this. And so I was kind of the first one to do that as far as I know. which I think is super cool because it's really hard to, find a trend that hasn't been taught on the internet before about basically a brand new method of how to make money online, and actually be the first one to come up with that method and then teach it to other people is really cool. And now I'm starting to see a bunch of other people, big YouTubers, jump onto that same trend, as well as, small YouTubers are trying to jump on that same exact trend to build their own channels, which is actually kind of an honor to me, and I think that's really cool. But as far as I know, I'm the first one that really started teaching this. So the fact that Kevin David, Cater, people like that are jumping in teaching the same thing is actually pretty cool. So it's actually kind of an honor, but it's just really interesting. And it kind of casts a weird light on Cater and Kevin David though, because if Kevin David's legit and if Cater's legit, it's weird that they're teaching these methods, because I'm pretty sure that they've never actually done these methods before. Copy and reposting Creative Commons YouTube videos. I'm pretty sure they've never actually done it before. So the question is, are they actually doing the things that they teach, right? Because they're teaching all types of things, and the fact that they found that this was, people were watching these videos and they were getting momentum from my channel, they decided this is an opportunity for me to jump in and start teaching it as well. Well, the question is, does that mean that they just teach whatever they can to make money, or are they actually doing what they teach? Because I'm not teaching all different types of things. I'm teaching YouTube, how to make money on YouTube without reposting videos, and I'm teaching Shopify, the two things I know a lot about and have had success with. I'm not jumping all over the board teaching all different sorts of things, which it looks like Cater and Kevin David are doing, because I know they haven't tried these methods, I'm pretty sure, and yet they're sitting there teaching them on their channels as well. So, that kind of casts a weird light on them as far as that goes as well. And so I wouldn't be surprised to see Kevin David, if his video gets a lot of momentum, I wouldn't be surprised if I saw Kevin David build a course on it. He doesn't have a course yet or anything. He just made this one video, but if he gets a lot of views on it, I wouldn't be surprised to see him then jump in and make a course on it and probably sell it for $1,000 or $2,000. So, that's never going to happen with me. My courses are $75 and $95 right now, and I can always guarantee you that my courses will always be cheaper than Kevin David's and probably Cater's as well. So if they do jump in and make courses, mine will still be cheaper, and I'm someone who's actually done it. I'm not just teaching it because I saw someone else teaching it. I actually have done it, and I've actually had success with it, and I've actually been doing it for 3 or 4 years now. And so, obviously it's going to be a better course that's more in depth and a lot cheaper. So, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised to see Kevin David or Cater jump in and make a course on this in the future. But, it's just actually kind of an honor, because Kevin David and Cater I consider to be really, really, good internet marketers, and I've been watching them for years, way before I even had a channel. And so the fact that those guys that I've been watching and studying for a long time, before I even had a channel, are now watching my videos, and not only just watching my videos, but have thought that they were so good and such a good idea that they are now copying my videos and making the same exact content to put on YouTube as well. So I just thought that was interesting. I thought it was kind of cool and something I just wanted to point out to all of you. I was really surprised to see that Kevin David made that video. And so another thing here is that you guys know I have been updating the courses with my new camera, my new microphone, and all of the new techniques and strategies you need to know for 2019 based on YouTube's new policies that they have come out with. They're always changing, and so my course is always changing along with it. And so I have finished updating my first course completely. It's amazing. It's really good. I've had a lot of good feedback on it. And then the masterclass I am updating today. And so if you guys remember, I said I was updating the price. I was going to move up the price on these courses once I was finished updating it. So today is going to be the last day on $75 and $95. So if you do want into my courses at the price of $75 and $95, depending on which course you choose, that's a one-time payment. It's not monthly or anything. It's one time. And so this will be the last day that you can get in at $75 or $95. I will never be having these courses at the price of $75 and $95 again. They're much higher quality. They're a lot better. They cover everything you need to know, and they're a lot better quality. And so with that, I will be upping the price, and it will not be coming back down. So this is seriously, if you want in at $75.95, today will be your last day to do that. So jump in and do that if you want to do that. The masterclass update should be done today. or tomorrow. And so, you know, just jump in if you want to do that at that price, because it will never go back down again to those prices. So that's about all I have for this one. I just thought it was really interesting, something I wanted to point out. So many people have been, you know, making these same videos ever since I came on and started doing YouTube, which I think's cool. I think it's cool. I think it's actually kind of an honor. Especially people that I look up to are doing that same thing. But go ahead, look at that comment that I put on Kevin David's channel and like that, leave comments on it and things like that to help move up the rankings. I'm sure he'll delete that comment because obviously he doesn't want people knowing that he got that method from me, he got that idea from me. He probably is not going to want, you know, his own, you know, subscribers knowing that. So he'll probably delete the comments, but they'll be up for a while, and then people can jump in and see that I've been teaching this stuff for a year, and hopefully I will be able to grow with it as well. You know, I'm kind of hoping they don't make courses on it and stuff, because they obviously have a lot more subscribers than I do. And so hopefully it doesn't hurt, you know, my courses and my, you know, channel and things like that. But I think that it could actually help make me grow as well. So just an interesting development I wanted to point out, and be on the lookout. That new vlog video, I'm going to have to do a lot of editing, but I have a lot of really cool footage from Phoenix. I'm going to make a vlog style video on that for you guys with my girlfriend like we did in the last one. It should be more exciting than the Chiefs one was, so be on the lookout for that. I'll be updating that as well, making that and putting that all together. So that's it for this one. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.